Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Real Estate Talk. As usual, it's Nas here, and today we are at Sewia, a newly developing community with all the social amenities available. Sewia is about 20 minutes away from the Kumasi airport and the road network is good. This property has been listed for 300,000 Ghana cedis. In it are 4-bedroom ensuite, a living room, visitors washroom, kitchen and a dining hall. This property sits on a 90 by 40 square feet lot, which is actually a half lot. Enjoy the rest of this video whilst you make your decision. Don't forget to subscribe, like, click the notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.